A very good morning to all of you. This is Shomi ma'am here. Once again, I welcome you all to another literature class. So, in this particular chapter, we will be discussing that how to take out rhyming scheme of any poem. Okay, how to take out rhyming scheme of any poem. So, we are quite acquainted with the term rhyming words, isn't it? We know what is rhyming words. Means two words which are having same sound, we call it as rhyming words, isn't it? Like for example, day, may. Although two words are having different meanings, two words are different, but two words are having similar sounds, that is rhyming words, isn't it? Rhyming words means two words, different meanings, different words, but having similar sounds. We call it as rhyming words. Excuse me. So now we will be discussing about the road not taken in this particular poem chapter. How to take out the rhyming scheme, how to take out the rhyming scheme. So let's discuss it then. Okay, so once if you come to know, you will be it will be easier for you to take out the rhyming scheme of the rest poem also. Now before jumping towards a rhyming scheme, I already told you that if the number of lines in each stanza is same, if the number of lines in each stanzas are same, we will call it as forms of stanza, that is a type of stanza. So now in this poem, the road not taken, there are four stanzas, and in each stanzas five lines are there. Here also five, here also five, here also five, here also five. So in each stanzas five lines are being divided. Okay, so that's why the road not taken will be quinten form of stanza. Quinten form of stanza. Okay, so the road not taken is a quinten form of stanza. Why? Because in all the stanzas, five lines has been divided equally. So quinten means 5 lines in each stanza. Quinten means a type of stanza where 5 lines are divided in each stanza. We call it as quinten form of stanza. So here also 5, here also 5 lines, here also 5 lines, here also 5 lines. So 5 equally it has been divided in all the stanzas. So it will be quinten form of stanza. Now we already discussed about the poetic device and the themes. I will be sharing with you people through WhatsApp, so don't worry. Let's come and discuss regarding the rhyming scheme. Now how to take out rhyming scheme? Rhyming scheme deals with your rhyming words, and rhyming words mean similar sounds, isn't it? Rhyming words means similar sounds but different words. Yes. So rhyming scheme, how you will take out based on rhyming words. See in first line, two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Yes, and sorry I could not travel both. Here wood and both. Are these two words having similar sound? No, these two words are not having similar sound. So, as per our English alphabet, which is the first alphabet? A is the first alphabet. So, you will be writing here as A. In rhyming scheme, in order to take out, you have to use English alphabets. So as per our English alphabet, which is the first one? A. So in first stanza, both the lines, last words, rhyming scheme, you have to take out the last words of all the stanza. Okay, in case of rhyming scheme, you should check the rhyming words, last rhyming words of all the lines. I repeat again, in order to check the rhyming scheme, in order to find out the rhyming scheme, you should check the last words of all the lines. Okay, so last word is wood, and here the last word is both. So wood and both, is it similar? No. So for wood, what you will write? A, because first alphabet is A. And for both, what you will write? B, because it is completely different. Now come to third line. And be one traveler, long I stood. So here wood and stood. same pronunciation, similar sound, isn't it? So what you will write here again? You will be writing here A, because would and stood are two rhyming words. It is rhyming in terms of sound. Now next line. And looked down one as far as I could. Yes. Now again, here could is getting paired with, is getting rhymed with which word? Would and stood. So it will be also A. Now last one, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here both and growth are having same pronunciation, similar sound. You will be writing as B. So the rhyming scheme will be A, B, A, A, B. Okay, it will be A, B, A, A, B. Okay, let me tell you again. Rhyming scheme, how you will find? You will find with the help of rhyming words. So, rhyming words, how you will get? In every poem, in every stanza and in every lines, last words you will see. In every stanza, in every line, you have to check the last word, whether it is getting rhymed with the another word or not, whether it is getting paired with another word or not. That doesn't mean you will start seeing from the present, from the first, from the middle. No. Never check the rhyming words from the first or from the middle. In case of rhyming scheme, you have to check the rhyming words from the last. In case of rhyming scheme, you have to check the rhyming words towards the last of the sentence. Means last word you have to check. All the sentences last word you have to check in case of rhyming scheme. Okay. So in first line, what is the last word? Would. And second line, last word, both. So would and both, these two are having no similar sound, no pronunciation, same pronunciation, isn't it? So as per our English alphabet, would will be A. Okay, and both will be B, because these two are completely different in terms of pronunciation, no similar sounds. Now let's come to your 9.3. Last word is stood. Here would is equal to stood in terms of pronunciation. Rhyming words means two different words, but pronunciation and sounds will be same. So here would is getting paired with stood, same pronunciation. So for would, what you have written? A. So for stood, what you will write? A. Again, fourth, last word is could. So here could is also getting paired with stood and would. So you will be writing as A. So last is undergrowth. Here undergrowth and both, these two are getting paired, isn't it, in terms of pronunciation? So it will be B. Yes, so the rhyming will be A, B, A, B. Now similarly, in the second stanza, last one is fair. So you will be writing as A. Second, claim. Different word, you will be writing as B. Where. Fair, where. Same pronunciation is coming, isn't it? Fair, where. Same pronunciation is coming. See, rhyming words are of two types, based on pronunciation and based on if the two words last two letters are same. Rhyming words are of two types. One is your based on pronunciation and sound. Another one is your based on if the two words, the last two letters are same. Like here, both and undergrowth, the last two letter is TH. So this is a kind of a pronunciation based on that, and that to the last two letters are also same in both the words. So it will be what? Rhyming words. See here, fair, where. The last two letters are not same. Here I, here A, isn't it? But still, fair is getting paired with where in terms of pronunciation, having similar sound. It is also a kind of rhyming words. Okay, so rhyming words means based on pronunciation and similar sound, and if the two words, the last letters of two words are same, that is also rhyming words. Okay, so fair is getting paired with where. So here what you will write? A. Now there. So fair, where, there. Similar pronunciation, similar sound, you will be writing as A. Claim, same. Same pronunciation, you will be writing as B. Now next come here. lay. A you will write black. B you will write lay day. A you will write lay day way. A you will write black and back. B. Sigh. A you will write hence. B you will write. Okay. C. Sigh. I buy. Same pronunciation. Sigh. I buy. Same pronunciation. So you will be writing as A. Here also A. Hence difference. Same pronunciation. B. Now understood? So the entire one will be A B A A B A B A A B. So the rhyming scheme of the poem The Road Not Taken is A B A A B. I hope you understood how to take out rhyming scheme. In this way you can take out the rhyming scheme of all the poem, not only for this poem. In this way you can take out the rhyming scheme of all the poem. So how to find out? Again I'm summarizing the thing. First you have to check in first stanza, first line, last word, whether the last word is getting paired with the second line last word or not. Okay. Yes. So rhyming scheme deals with your rhyming words, and rhyming words are of two types based on pronunciation, similar sound, and another one if two words or more than two words where the last two letters of all the words are same. That's also type of rhyming words. Like here both, growth, last two letters are same, so it will be a kind of rhyming word. Like here fair, where, last two letters are not same, but here fair and where are same in terms of pronunciation, isn't it? Similar way. Now in an English alphabet the first letter is A, so you have to start with A only. So for wood you mentioned as A. Both, complete different word, so you'll write as B. Stood, wood and stood, rhyming words, you'll write A. Could also rhyming words, A. And both, growth, same with B. So this is your how to take out the rhyming scheme of the poem The Road Not Taken. So if in question if it will come, tell me the rhyming scheme of the poem The Road Not Taken, you will write A B A A B. Okay. And the poetic devices which are used in this poem are, one is your metaphor, another one is your simile, another one is your anaphora, and then your personification and various other images. Okay, I'll give you this thing through WhatsApp, so don't worry for that. But please kindly check this video for the rhyming scheme. It will help you in finding out the rhyming scheme of all the poem as well. Okay. So thank you my dear students.